Hi, my name is Tanya Sutherland. This video is about how to make sure you're wearing everything in your wardrobe, because I'm sure there's many items in your wardrobe that you're just not wearing, which is just taking up a lot of space. So yeah, work with me through this little journey of how I've just tweaked and changed a few garments in my wardrobe that I quickly just cut and altered and put on the sewing machine and made a few changes. And now I'm more excited about my wardrobe because I've got new little things in my wardrobe, even though I've had them for years, but they were just hanging there. And I knew I'll get around to doing this alteration around it. If you can't do your own alterations or sewing, then of course, give it to your seamstress, tailor, or designer to do that for you. So this video is about how to make sure that the garments fit you correctly through alteration or refashion. You can either do it yourself, or if you are a stylist or a designer, this is definitely a service you can offer to generate as an extra income towards your business. Generally, women have different body shapes, different proportions, and buying off any rail in a normal retail store, most chances are it doesn't fit you 100%. Maybe the length is too long, maybe it doesn't have shaped properly in the waist, the sleeves are too long or too short. There's always something that you can always offer, that alteration or that refashion, or just making a little bit of tweaks to a garment, because those little tweaks builds up anyone's self-esteem and of course your confidence, because when you walk out that door, you know that you're well put together, you've made the effort, and you have an eye for detail, because all those little things count. And those kind of behaviors and thoughts carries through in your life with everything else that you do, and people notice that, because remember, when you're walking into any place, what's the first thing that they see? They see your presence. Your garment is like your business card speaking for you, so make sure your business card has all the statements of your style language merging from your self-identity, all saying the right words, speaking on your behalf. So it is about you finding your true signature style, which starts with your self-identity, knowing who you are and what it is you want. And then it's about dressing for the life that you want. So it all comes through your style, your essence, and your presence, through how you're entering a room. What are you wearing? The colors, your styles, the silhouette, designs, cuts, the lengths, etc. It's about making sure the clothes suit you and your body shape, personality, and where you are going. It is about consciously living and dressing every single day of your life to make sure you're following your life purpose. If you love this kind of content, then please don't forget to press the subscribe button down below and leave any comments about your journey of your self-identity, building your confidence from a dress to a skirt. If you don't know how to alter or sew your own clothes, then give it to a tailor or a seamstress. Because if you're not wearing all the garments in your wardrobe, that is just clutter. That is stuff that is just staying in your wardrobe. It's not creating any energy. It's not making space for new things. And isn't it kind of sad that you invested all this time and money in a wardrobe and it's just dying in your wardrobe? So isn't it time to make it more alive again by maybe changing, altering, restructuring and refashioning your garments in your wardrobes for the things that you're not wearing? Have more fun with it, using what you have. It's about becoming more self-sustainable with your wardrobe, not following this fast fashion and every week just buying new garments and having this wardrobe full of clothes and nothing to wear, which makes you feel absolutely depressed. So let's avoid that, and let's make your wardrobe work for yourself by altering or changing the look of it. And if you love sewing, create your own wardrobe. Put together styles and designs that is absolutely your authentic style, your signature style of who you are, because you're dressing for the life that you want. So if you love sewing, check out my entire pattern collection. It's called Tanya Sutherland. I'll leave the website link down below. Have some fun, explore the channel to look at the different patterns I have, from casual to formal to active. Okay, from a dress to a top. I'm sure you know by now, if you have more tops in your wardrobe, you can create so many different looks and styles with your basic core sort of trousers and skirts. So in this case, it was a dress which I was hardly ever wearing. And I said to myself, why don't I wear it? I don't really like the fit of the dress. And you know what? I'm going to cut it into a top and create these little peepholes as well, just to make it a little bit more cooler, a bit more sexy. Now I know I'm going to wear it so much more often, and I'm so excited to have something new in my wardrobe. But it's already been in my wardrobe for about 6 years, but now it is new. So look at what you can change in your wardrobe. So yeah, is a shirt dress, so I know that I need to do something about it, otherwise I will not wear it. I can wear it as a dress, or I can wear it as like basically a little jacket. But first of all, I need to take in and give myself some waist definition, because being an hourglass, no matter what body shape you are, it's always about you creating a waistline, whether it's an illusion of a waistline, but you need to always shape the waistline in. So I'm just going to grab my pins. So you can kind of feel under the bust line, okay, where you need to sort of take it in. Best to stand in front of a mirror when you do this, or your seamstress can do it for you. I can shorten the sleeve. You can always just leave it loose like that, maybe add some buttons on as a feature. And the next thing would be is, do I want to shorten it? Am I happy with this length? So have a look at the length, look in the mirror, see what you like. If you've got great legs, show them off. If you don't like to show your legs off, keep the length. So to me, it's about me wanting to wear this garment and what looks best on me. So I could make it shorter. I could make it maybe to this length, maybe that's too short. If I make it really short, then it's becoming more of a shirt, so I won't wear it as a dress. So I'm going to leave it the way it is, because I can always leave the buttons open and wear a little sexy pair of shorts underneath. So just a few alterations changes the entire garment. The next thing you could do is you could change the buttons. You can use maybe a gold metal or silver metal, depending on what accessories you like to wear, whether it's gold or silver or pearls, or maybe just a different kind of button, maybe just something that looks a bit more expensive, or keep the shirt button. So those are some variations that you can add into once you change the garment, just by adding some buttons and some detail. Anyway, so have fun with creating a wardrobe that you love, and you're wearing everything in your wardrobe.